We have to solve this mass expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and addition and subtraction are equally important. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. Now, 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. Now, let's rewrite the expression. 9 divided by 3, and we have one multiplication here, and this 3. Now, as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this mass expression from left to right. Now, 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. The final answer is 9. Thank you for watching.